Okay, folks, classic dish, Cacio E Pepe. Ain't no better, easy peasy. One of the best things you'll ever eat. But I do a little something different. I brown a little garlic in mine. I know. People are gonna say, there's no garlic in Cacio E Pepe. Well, mine has garlic. It's how I make it at home. It's how my son likes it. It's how my wife likes it. It's how I like it. So this is my restaurant, and I want you to taste what I like to cook for you. So, Cacio E Pepe, a little bit of garlic. First thing we're gonna do is a quick sauce. This takes about 3 minutes to cook. We're gonna drop our pasta. It's our house spaghetti pasta. Fresh spaghetti. Give it a little turn, a little twist, a little spin. Give it a little spin. All right, let that cook. Now we're gonna start our sauce. Got some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of that garlic I told you about, a little salt, a little pepper to begin with. Our garlic is toasted. Now we're gonna come in with our pasta. Give it a little toss. Some pasta water. Bring it all together. Some butter. The pepe. Pecorino Romano. And even more water. That's what's gonna help bring this whole thing together. Gotta be careful though, there's a fine line between making a pan sauce and creating soup. Oh, you can smell it. You can just smell the pepper dancing all over the place. I'm gonna add a hair more cheese to this, just to bring it together. A little bit more salt. Look at that. Look at that. Now we're gonna make it rain.